Hi honey, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a ribbed back strap. So let's see together. Start the slip knot in chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop of first chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch on the right side. Insert your hook into this stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the third stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch on the right side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 3 and repeat again. Yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch on the right side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch on the right side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 3 and repeat. Repeat again and again until you reach the desired length. Chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch on the right side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I reach my desired length. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Have a nice one!